Hey guys, and this video I'll show you on how to change this 16 amp switch. So mine actually got completely struck and also the plug point actually got burnt. So this is actually because of heavy load coming to this plug point. So this complete unit I'm going to change. So this is actually called as SS combined switch box. So I got this socket and switch set from Anchor. So this is actually a 16 amps switch socket. So the previous one model was actually 5 rows, and this one actually costed me around 250 rupees. So this doesn't comes with a box. So the box one actually costs around 220 to 250. So I'll put that changing video in the description and also the cards. So I unboxed the switch and this is how it looks. And also they have given us some screws. So before fixing this, let's remove the old one from the wall. So for this you just need a minor screwdriver and remove the 4 screws. So this is actually how it looked inside. So it's because on the top there was some space so that the lizard and cockroach actually went in and created a big huge mess inside. So before fixing this, you have to just clean it completely and fix. So coming to the connections, actually the red one is the positive and black is the negative. So one will be connected to the switch and negative will be to the socket. To fix the new switch, you have to remove the old one first from this plate. So for this you need a minor screwdriver and also help of a cutting plier so that you can catch the behind what you say the nut and loosen it. So I have loosened it. So as I said, it was too messy and it had a lot of dirt inside it. So I used the help of a cutting plier and catch hold on the nut at the back and loosened it. So let's clean this one and fix this. So I'm going to use the new screws which were provided from Nintendo box. So it's actually pretty much easy. So you have to just put this, remove the nut and put the screw, and at the back you have to just tighten the nut. So this is how it looks after fixing the switch into the plate. So talking about the connections, so I have did one thing over here. So you see the black wire. So from this actually the face comes to the socket. When you turn on the switch, so this one transfers the power to the socket. So actually it should be in red color. So I didn't have a red wire. So that's the reason why I have used this one. So on this right side actually a negative wire should go. So these are the two wires which comes from the direct main. So as you could see, it's been green and it's been rusted. So we have to strip some of this wire and fix it again. So I think this green one is actually earthing. So I prefer you guys to use wire stripper, which is actually more easier. So over here I am stripping the red wire and fixing it to the switch top, and the negative wire will be going to the socket side. So this green wire is actually earth connection, so that one has to be on the top of the socket. So after giving the connection, try to pull the wire with using your hand and make sure that doesn't comes out. So after fixing this, just tighten the box using 4 screws, and this is how much sand was inside this one. So it might be more than 100 and 150 grams. So we have fixed it, and these are the 4 screws which I used to tighten it up. And that's pretty much it, guys, from this video. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel.